Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.5 question number 2. Number 2. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? Let us take one line segment XY. Here you have taken XY line segment, right? Now PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. You have taken another line PQ that is perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. Here is the point of intersection and this is A. What is the measure of angle PAY? With the help of protractor, we will measure angle PAY. Let us take the help of protractor to find let us take the help of protractor to find the angle. Let us take a protractor. We are taking a protractor. If you measure the angle, you see here. Here you see the angle of PAY is exactly 90 degree. Therefore, you can say that angle PAY is equal to 90 degree. Right? That means we have done this problem question number 2. Again, I am repeating once again. Here you see that let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. We have taken a line segment XY and we have taken another line PQ which is perpendicular to XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. The point of intersection is A. This is A. What is the measure of angle PAY? What is the angle measure of angle PAY? We have taken a protractor and we have measured it. You see, this is exactly 90 degree. Here see angle PAY is exactly 90 degree, right? Therefore, you can write that angle PAY is equal to 90 degree. This is the solution of question number 2.